Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this beautiful balloon wedding dress. The first row of the dress is made up of 5-inch balloons blown to 4 inches. Join the balloons together to make quads. Tie 260s together to make a rope, and attach your quads together with the 260 balloons, making a small garland. Here I'm just measuring to see how much longer it needs to be to get to the size of the mannequin's waist. Tie the 260s together at the back of the mannequin's waist to join the garland end to end. And this is your first row complete. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and comment. The next row of our dress is 12-inch balloons blown to 6 inches. I attach the 6-inch quads by tying them to the 4-inch quads from our first row. I continue to attach the quads together with the neck-to-neck method to form our second row. The quads for the rest of the dress are 12-inch balloons blown to 7 inches. I continue to tie the quads together using the neck-to-neck method. The longer the dress was becoming, it was getting a little more difficult to use the neck-to-neck method, so I started using a 260 tied to a quad, and then I wrapped quads around the 260 to form columns that I attached together with the elastic bands. This was so much easier and a lot quicker. I would recommend starting the 260 method after the second row of balloons. Here I'm attaching one of the balloon columns to another using an elastic band. This was so much easier. Now it's time to add our filler balloons. These are 5-inch balloons, quads, blown to approximately 3 inches. Use elastic bands to attach these to fill in gaps or spaces. And that's it. That's all there is to making this beautiful wedding dress. Perfect for bridal showers. I hope you enjoyed the video.